It's on. Thank you so much for being here. This truly has been an incredible journey for me, professionally and personally. I think very, very rarely in life does one get the opportunity, such a rare opportunity, to combine personal passions, personal love into a real professional experience. And I would keep saying every day that, this is unbelievable. I can't believe I'm getting paid to do this job. Because this doesn't feel like work at all. It just felt like such a gift to be able to travel the course of this lifeline. And like I said, when Shrikant, who just spoke, the very, very timid human being, where is he? Did you hear him? Did any of you hear what he said? I want to know. So this very mild-natured, warm individual came to my office a little over 6 months ago, and he said, we're very keen for you to take people through this narrative, this journey. And when I saw the concept, I was blown away, and I said, oh my God, this is exactly what I've been waiting for. Because I think the beautiful thing about television is that it actually gives the audience the opportunity to see the real person. As film personalities, we get to play many parts, but I think this was this great chance to just be me and go through this incredible journey, being myself, and of course doing all the things that I love to do. So I looked at Shrikant and I said, you've come to me, that's just the thing that I've been waiting for. This is after saying no to a lot of reality shows and the typical formats that television usually approaches actors with. And I'm really, really, really proud of this experience and this show, and I can't wait for the 1st of May, and I can't wait for all of you to become a part of this journey and witness the Ganga like we have, meet all the incredible people who we met along the way. But more than anything else, I just want you to feel envy and I want you to make your own journey, find your own roadmap that you want to discover, because the beauty of slow travel is that it gives you an experience of what one should truly be: intimate, personal, warm, and energetic.
Diya, actually everyone over here just saw a little sneak peek, and we saw the trailer.
Yes.
And there was a huge round of applause, and you could see the smiles on everyone's faces because
Happiness is contagious.
But it was also a very raw, unadulterated version of you that we got to see, where you're literally experiencing so many different things. And for me to put you in that little spot. But
No, but if so many moments, laughter and tears and love and warmth, all of that. But I think if I had to reflect back at this journey now in retrospect, and look back at what has been the most lasting moment for me, an impression, I would say that moment I had at the source.
Shrikant